a thumbs up. Let's get our drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, rush.
There goes Roboties digging deep into the landfill, pulling out 2 bins, and it looks like we may have autonomous points also on the Red Alliance side with a tote stack. Let's see what happens. And Big Bad Bob drops it.
Dang. That was too bad. Not much happened on my side. Red side was a lot more exciting, but now Gearheads working 2 by 2. The landfill starting to build some stacks. They just have 3 cans over there. We'll see what they can do with them.
Roboties drops a can. They have to pick one up to get that advantage with the noodle from the human player. Meanwhile, we've got activity on the other side. Force team working with the human player. They have created an obstruction for themselves. We'll see if they can get that out of the way.
I don't know. Has Big Bad Bob always had a tether? Yeah, and look what it's attached to. This is bad news for the red side. On the blue side, on the other hand, the Gearheads doing their 2 by 2, trying to get 2 by 2 more. But the 3 recycling containers all fell over on their side. We'll see if Chaos can right that wrong.
That tether is attached to a ramp that I understand was built from spare parts just this morning, and it seems to have been pushed out of the way by Roboties, who are now using their normal method to build stacks with a human player.
Over on the blue side, 1289 to Gearheads have 2 stacks of 2. That would be worth 8 points, whether they're in a stack or not. And if you can add to them, as 131 seems to be trying to do, that makes the situation better. But boy, you really want some points? Put a can on it.
Proving that ramps are not all they're cracked up to be. Big Bad Bob puts up a stack of 5 with a bin. They'll go back into the landfill very likely to see if they can build another as they're digging deep to pick up a second can.
On the blue side, Gearheads with 41 seconds left are just bulldozing totes onto the scoring platform. And there is 131 Chaos trying to get cans on said totes, but they must be on the scoring platform to count.
In the last 30 seconds of play, Big Bad Bob's got themselves a can. They're going to put it on something. Let's see where they go. Roboties working with a human player. They're having a big pile up on the side. Here comes a can. 1073's got a stack, and Big Bad Bob's going to put it down on a stack of 5. Make it count.
On the blue side, no luck with putting cans on totes yet. 1289 going back to the landfill, but with just 8 seconds left, who knows what they're going to manage to do out here.
And in the last 5 seconds, Bob's working the landfill, and we see Force Team not quite able to put up a stack, but Roboties gets 2 points in the last second.